In this video I will show you how can you set quick reply or auto reply for your Facebook page. You can see here, if someone messages me, they got some kind of reply, auto reply from me. You can see here, someone messaged me hi and he got this kind of message, but I didn't send the message. They got the reply automatically. So if you like to do that, I will show through this video. So for set auto reply in your Facebook page, you have to simply come here on your Google Chrome app. You can see here I am on my Google Chrome app. After come here on your Google Chrome app, you have to search here for Facebook Creator Studio. You can see here Facebook Creator Studio. You have to simply search on it. After searching, you will can see here this kind of interface. You can see here, you have to simply click here on the first link. After that, you have to make sure your desktop side is on. You can see here my desktop side is on. You have to make sure also your desktop side is on. After that, you will can see here a option called reply. You can see here in the side a option called reply. You can see here, you have to simply click on it. After tapping on it, you will can see here, you can see it's loading. After that, you will can see here a icon as like glove. You can see here it's taking time, and then you will can see here icon, globe icon. You can see here, I want to show you, that's why I zooming it. You can see here like a glove. You can see here, you have to simply click on it. After clicking on it, you will can see here this kind of interface, and here probably in your case here you will can see here instant reply option, and you have to simply click here, try it. In my case, as I set the instant reply, that's why it's here my automatic. So I have to simply click here on edit. You can see here, but in your case you have to simply click here, try it, and then you will can see here instant reply. You have to simply click here on instant reply on, and then you can see here they provide a message, but if you want you can customize this message, and after customize this message you can add the name. You can see here, you can add here name. You can see here option. You can see here, you can see here a option, glow option. You have to simply click on that, and then you can see here first name or participant. You can simply click here what name you want to add, whose name you want to add in your message. Then when you reply, they got their name in this reply. Then you have to simply click here one of them, and then you can see here add option. After adding, you have to simply click here or scroll down, and you can see here option called save. You can see here save says. You have to simply click here on save says. After clicking here save says, it will be saved into your Facebook page, and if someone messages me, they will got the automatic reply, and after that when you come in the Facebook page, you can also reply him in your way. So this is today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.